Rough videos.
Hi, my ILS students. Let's take a deep breath in. Inhale up, smell the flowers. Inhale up. And exhale down, blow out the candles. Inhale up. And exhale down. We are doing our math, and for weeks 15 and 16, I sent home a large bag, much like this, with items and stickers with prices on them so that we can develop our own store. And we're gonna do so many different things with this over the next 2 weeks, but the first thing I want you to do is pull out your stickers, and you'll have 50 cents, 75 cents, 10 cents, and I want you to take each item in the store. Miss Kelly has different items because I gave you all the items. And I want you to let the student price these items. This is a great fine motor activity, and it's also an opportunity to first talk about money. So you can talk about more or less, and then you can start out with just one item. How much would you pay for this? How much? And if they're nonverbal, they can point to the price, and you can talk about more or less. And so let's say they say, it's 50 cents. So Miss Kelly has some tape that she's using, and you can use tape if you run out of those stickers. And so, okay, so they price this one at 50 cents. Then you're gonna pull out the next one and say, was this one, would you spend more or less for this item? And then they get to pick, how much is this item worth? Well, I think this, or maybe it's the same. Maybe it's worth the same amount. So then you put a price tag on that. So you notice I grabbed even some fruit out because whatever it is you can use to price the item to develop your store. And you can add to it as much as you want. You can even take and cut out either a picture or even write on an index card any preferred food place or activity that they like, and you can price that. Now this one might be worth more. Maybe this one's $1 or maybe it's $2. Whatever it is, I want you to go through with your student, or they can do it independently if they want, and they're gonna price each item. And once it's done pricing, either a box with a lid or however you wanna set up your store, they can put those items in here, and so that we have them whenever you use the token board or whenever they want to earn something, they're going to use the money to purchase it. So the activity for today is pricing each item in your bag. Like something like this, say, oh, this one's worth less. I'd pay less for this one. I'd pay fewer coins, even if you want to do it with proper, than I would for the chips. So then you get one for 25 cents onto the bar. And what if, if you have little tiny items in the house, you can even use those and put a nickel or a dime. So maybe a game of cards. Maybe they're earning 30 minutes of card playing. Then you can put a price on that one. That's 75 cents. Or maybe it's just one little lifesaver. Well, that one might only be 5 cents or 10 cents. Whatever it is, it's more or less or equal to our first item we priced. Have fun with this, and if you want to use a chart, please use the dry erase marker and the board, and you can have more or less equal. That would be a great way to set this up to use that, and we can even do that in the next video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Rough videos.